Construction Academy is a pre-apprenticeship program. Construction Academy's mission is to prepare high school students with the employability, the technical skills, and the academic skills necessary to succeed in the construction industry. At the Summer Bridge, the kids are involved in welding, plumbing, carpentry, and drafting on computer-aided design or CAD.
I feel comfortable doing work that guys usually do, but it's not really a girl-guy situation. You can be either girl or boy. It just depends how you apply yourself. My future plans, I hope to become a carpenter one day, and I'm thinking about being an apprentice, joining the union. What I would say to other girls who's interested in this field is don't be scared. You're just as equal as any boy.
I'm interested in a future for construction because it's a growing industry right now, and I just like working outdoors and stuff. My project we're working on is 45-degree angles to make precision cuts. Tools we're using now are hand tools, the saw, the hammer, and speed square, and that's about it. In high school, I really didn't have that much experience, so this is my introduction, my first time doing all carpentry and construction, working with tools and nails and hammers and cutting tools, all that. There's a lot to learn. It's very hard, intense. There's a lot of information you need to know about everything.
Right now with this bridge program, we're working on a shed for the Children's Daycare Center. It's an outdoor shed, so we're excited. My construction background in high school was I took wood shop my freshman year, and then my senior year I continued on with BC1, which is Building and Construction 1.
When I heard about the HCC program, I was interested right away because I figured after high school I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, but I wanted to be a carpenter. I feel great about the Summer Bridge program. It's all I expected it could be because I get a great experience, I meet new people, learn how to work with a team, learn what I want to learn, more about carpentry. I get to go into other trades and learn about their trade too. It teaches me math skills and introduction to college skills. So it's pretty much everything that I wanted to do after school so far.
I basically learned how to arc weld. It's a type of welding. It's just using rods to weld. In the future, I would like to be an auto mechanic. Hopefully it'll help me in the future, so I already know the basics of welding. One thing I learned about welding is to wear high-cut shoes because it burns when it goes down your low-cut shoes.
Been welding for about a good 3 weeks, and our whole class has been doing a really good job at it. And I just hope that this takes me to a career. My favorite part of welding is when I get to do whatever I like. I draw hearts, and I get busted for what I do. And then I get scoldings, I know, but good fun.
I didn't think I would be welding because I don't like fire. First it was really scary. I'm still kind of jumpy, but it's pretty fun. Because a lot of people think it's like a boys' trade, but it's like really fun for girls. And the girls are actually kind of better than the boys.
Plumbing class is really fun. We get to learn all kinds of things like soldering, brazing. I've never done any of this before. This is my first time learning it. Advice I'd give to other kids is you should really take this program because it really teaches you a lot.
I heard about the bridge program from U Challenge, the counselors. They said I was supposed to go to architecture, but then I ended up going to hands-on work. The military, that was one of my careers that I wanted to go to. So I'm working on this for now until I get my ASVAB scores. The work I'm doing right now is some plumbing work with pipes, sealing the hose so the water don't come out.
Some of the things that we're learning in the Summer Bridge program are CAD, which is a program for designers, drafters, people who build houses. It's somewhat challenging because of remembering all those functions we just learned.
I joined this class because I want to use the AutoCAD program because I'm planning to go into the field of architecture. We spend 3 hours and 30 minutes every day working on CAD. So we can design any kind of structure on the computer rather than doing it freehand, which takes longer.
We had to adjust certain angles to make it look exactly like the picture you see on the book. The set of commands that we use is mainly trim, offset, circular, delete, line, and diameter and radius.
I've been on job shadowing for McKinley High School, and I went to the PVA Architects, and I talked to some of the architects over there. One of the guys who work there does 3D models and 2D models, so it was pretty interesting. We're making a 2D model, the top view, front view, and side view of this figure, and doing it on AutoCAD. The technology in the future will always get better, so if we learn how to do this program now, then we'll be prepared in the future.
This is my second year with the Construction Academy Summer Bridge program. The students here have a live project on campus, which we were fortunate to have. With the help of the mason apprentice who poured the concrete slab, they did the hard work and set the footing and foundation. And then our students built the framing and the building itself. Most of the employers are looking for someone that they can teach and someone who can be relied upon. In that sense, our kids so far have been coming every day on time, and they know what is expected of them.
Our Summer Bridge program has grown from 12 students last summer to almost 50 students this summer. Through the Construction Academy program, students are able to earn high school elective credits as well as community college credits that apply towards advanced degrees here at community college.
I recommend it. I met new friends, a lot of new friends actually. They back me up, you know, you get to learn new stuff, welding, plumbing, wood shop, and all that stuff.
This bridge program is everything that I thought it would be. A lot of hands-on training, and you learn a lot of good things. And I recommend it to anybody who's looking for a career in construction.